Is your Acura RDX key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. The RDX key fob uses a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 2 to 4 years. To replace the battery, carefully pry open the fob using a small screwdriver, remove the old battery, and insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up. Then reassemble the fob. First, pry open the fob using a small screwdriver. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, reassemble the fob. However, simply replacing the battery may not solve the problem, as the fob often needs to be relearned or reset to sync with the car's computer. If you still have issues, check for any Acura software updates or recalls that could address firmware bugs affecting fob connectivity. Newer RDX models, 2024 Plus, integrate with Acura Link, offering remote diagnostics and potential reset guidance. If battery replacement doesn't restore functionality, try the Smart Key Reset and Relearn procedure. First, enter the vehicle using the physical key located in the backup slot under the driver's door handle. Next, cycle the ignition by inserting the key and turning it to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds. Then, press the lock button on the key fob for 1 second. Exit the vehicle and test the fob to see if it works. If this method is unsuccessful, you may need professional ECU reprogramming at an Acura dealership. This process typically takes 10 to 15 minutes. Note, improper attempts at relearning can trigger security modes, so proceed carefully. Consider interference from metal objects or other electronic devices, and always check for recalls before seeking dealer assistance.